Okay, this is going to be another very casual unboxing. I've got a product. I could not find a video anywhere on the internet apart from their own product videos. It's the new GIGA Pump 3.0. I received it today in the morning. I ordered it like 3 months ago on Indiegogo. Yeah, Indiegogo. So I just got this small box, and the pump that came out of it is this one. Okay, it's not pretty big, it's very small. I'm just going to show you a close up what came out of the box, and I'm going to run some tests. I'm going to inflate a mattress, deflate a mattress, and I'm going to use a vacuum bag. So three things, that's the most use I will have. Okay, so this is the pump. It's pretty small. Okay, if I put it next to my phone, okay, this is the phone. So yeah, it's not that big, it's pretty small. I think it's bigger than the previous version, but this is okay. This is the in the nozzle for inflation, this is for deflation, and you got the clips, one over here, so you can hang it like this, and you got a clip on this side too, where you can hang it like this in your tent or something. It's not like a traditional clip, so you would need like a carbiner or something, a hook or type to hang it. It does come with a USB-C interface, so you can charge it via USB-C. The light interface is over here at the button, and for the inflation and deflation is this one. So if I click it, the button one twice, okay, so it switches on. It's the highest power. Once lowest, the lower mode, and then one more time is the lowest, and this is probably the emergency one. I thought it's going to be a red one in there too, but it's not. Okay, and if I click this twice, okay, this is the highest power, this is the medium power, this is the lowest power, and then it switches off. Okay, so this is the total pump that there is in the box itself. This is the box. I'm just gonna open this. I already opened it, so just give me a second. Okay, it's not easy to unbox with one hand. It has a very precise user manual, which I like. Okay, 3-4 pages, tells you what to do. I'm not gonna show you that, but in the accessory bag, it comes with a bag, so you can cram both of these things in, but in the box it comes in the accessory bag. And if I open this, right, yeah, so you get 1 2 3 4 5 nozzles attachments, and you got USB-C cable. So I think the mostly that you will use is this one. I will use is going to be this for vacuum bags, and I think this is the one, and probably this is the one, which is, it says on the box. Yeah, it says on the box. So it's the different nozzles in millimeter sizes, but in the manual it says which can be used where. So I'm probably going to use this one, and these three will be more use for me, because I don't need to inflate anything big or any pool or anything like that, but it's good to have these other ones at hand. So now I'm going to run a real world test on these. Let's go. Okay, mind my socks. Okay, I've got this cheap air mattress I got from Amazon for my camping trips. That's a different one. So this is like a proper air mattress. This is for this is the inlet, and this is the outlet for deflation. So I closed that one, and one of the nozzle fits perfectly in this. So I'm going to attach the GIGA pump and see how it works. Okay, it's attached. Okay, let's go. Oh, okay, full power is too much. This is the lowest power I'm filling it up with, and I don't want to try the full power. I feel like it's gonna blow up or something. Actually, I should try to medium. full power, medium power. This is medium power right now, so it seems to be doing a good job. Alright, that is, oh wow, that is pretty nice. This was the nozzle that I used. It fit very tightly with the mattress, so I had to use a bit of force to remove it. But overall, yeah, it filled it up pretty quick. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the same nozzle and I'm going to deflate it. So all you have to do is actually open that nozzle and just, start rolling it. But I'm actually going to deflate this one. Alright, so deflation was on the top, so I'm just going to hit switch on at full power. I don't know if anything is happening. Okay, no. I'm doing it wrong. Sorry. Alright, so for deflating an air mattress, it didn't work properly on this one because it sucks in the mattress from inside into the nozzle, so the airflow actually stops. So I cannot use this for deflation on this, but inflation it was pretty good. Now the next I'm going to try and use it on a vacuum bag. Right, so for a vacuum bag, this is the attachment. It's pretty basic, but there's another one that comes. I think it's this rubber one. If you don't have, you can use this as well. I'm not going to use this. I'm going to use this. Alright, vacuum bag test. I've connected the accessory. I'm going to switch it on. Where is it? Is it the light? No. Yep, it is working. Okay. Yep, I think this did a pretty good job. Maybe I could have compressed it a bit more with a vacuum cleaner, but if I've given it maybe a minute more, it would have compressed a little bit more, but so far it has compressed quite nicely. Alright, I have put it again on and it is still compressing. I can feel it. There's air coming out of this side. And I think that should be it. I don't think so it has more capacity. Yeah, so overall not a bad investment. I don't know how long the battery would last on this. Okay, so I've used it for a good 5-6 minutes now. It was still going okay, but I think they claim it can go for maybe 20-25 minutes. Okay, I could be wrong, but so far it's good. I'm going to use it for almost, if not for this, at least for the light. Okay, because it has very strong light for the camping. And this one, this is supposed to be red. But if anybody has any questions, this was a very casual unboxing. Okay, so if anybody has any questions, they can post it in the comments and I can maybe run some tests.